take you through to our workshop. We are busy with this BF6L 913C. It's going to be a 2500 RPM engine going on a drill rig for exploration or for borehole drilling. The one next to it we are going to test a little bit later today. It's been fully rebuilt with the original Deutz diesel engine parts, not the China engine parts. We are going to ensure that every single part has been built with a original Deutz engine part, not the China parts or the Turkey parts that you will find mostly in the market. We use quality tools, we use quality engineering to ensure that every single part that's been fitted will work for the client's specification. We've got the original turbos that we do remanufacture. We do remanufacture also your imported parts. We use quality engineering on them as well. This one still needs to get the exhaust manifold and the turbo fitted. We will do that a little bit later today, and then we'll see if we can test it to see how it runs, and then from there it goes on to the dyno.